Lesson 7-7, Example 2. Our objective is learning to write percents as decimals and as fractions. And we're going to look now at writing percents as decimals. So let's say we want to write 56% as a decimal. Well, the first thing I can think of, one of the ways I can do it is think of it as a fraction first of all. And again, I can think of this percent as per 100. So it is 56 per 100 or 56 hundredths. And the nice thing about percents and decimals, if I can get it to over tens or over hundreds, then I can just read it as a decimal, because 56 hundredths, well, I just know that that is 56 hundredths. So that's one way that I can come up with a percent going to a decimal. The other thing is to think of the fact that this is a division symbol. So I could think that 56 divided by 100, put in my decimal place there, so 100 goes into 56 0 times, but it goes into 565 times. Bring in another 0, bring that down. So 100 goes into 606 times. And there we go, and I end up with 56 hundredths, which is the same thing I came up with right here. Now, if I have this, I really don't need to go through the division. But if I have something, a fraction that's not over 100, this starts to become very helpful. Let's take a look at another problem. Water made up 85% of the fluids that Kirk drank yesterday. We want to write 85% as a decimal. So 85%, and I'm going to think of that as 85 per 100, which I know is 85 hundredths or 85 hundredths. So that's a quick, nice way. If I can read it as a fraction, I can read it as a percent. But again, as a reminder, I could also think of this as 85 divided by 100. Well, 100 goes into 85 0 times, but it goes into 850 8 times. Bring in another 0 here, and goes into 505 times. And I'm left with 85 hundredths. Same thing there. So, nice way to do it if you can get it over 100 or over 10. Then you can write it as a decimal. But if it's not a number over a power of 10, then you can use this division method.